Hello there, I'm Authentically. Welcome to the Quick Win series. And here is a secret why many people don't succeed at living their purpose and becoming the greater version of themselves. And this is because they live their lives on autopilot. So many people simply copy what other people say and do without asking whether it's the best, unique expression for them as their unique representation of the universe. And so here is a way to overcome it and train your mind out of the habit of copying other people. And because your life consists of small actions and small decisions you make every day, getting them right is really important. So here is how you can fix that. Set an alarm on your phone 3 to 5 times a day. And every time the alarm goes off, give yourself 30 seconds of complete mindfulness. And simply ask yourself, what is it you're doing in that moment and why? What is it you're feeling in that moment and why? And also, what kind of thoughts are going through your mind? And don't judge them, but simply label them for what they are. Sadness, happiness, tiredness, envy, cheerfulness, gratitude, no matter what it is, simply write it down in your mental notepad. And then relax your shoulders, make your breathing a little bit slower and a little bit deeper, and get on with your day. And over time, this habit is going to train your mind into radical mindfulness. So every time you're presented with an opportunity to act or make a choice, you first ask yourself whether that decision or that response is congruent with who you are and is in your best interest. This was Authentically and the Quick Win series. Share, like, and subscribe. See you next time.